This is the Ocean by Miami Carryon. The Ocean comes installed with a TSA combination lock built into the luggage. It's pretty easy to change the combination, and here's a quick instruction on how to do it. You can use a ballpoint pen, paper clip, long fingernail, anything that's tiny enough to hit this little point right here. What you want to do is make sure the zippers are in the locked position. Push in the button here, change your combination, then slide the lock to make the change. Now you have your 3 favorite numbers as your combination lock. I suggest using your 3 favorite numbers so it's easy to remember. You don't want to show up to your dream vacation and realize you forgot the combination. No one's going to get in there. No one's going to see what you're carrying around. Everything is secure and private. Yeah, so it's just one of the cool features of the Ocean Luggage by Miami Carryon. Check the website to learn more.